مدارس الطالب الذكي. القرآن حياتنا نحو جيل إسلامي أمثل.
Good morning, my students. How are you? Now, our book's name is English Word Class. It's for grade 3, unit number 7. Our lesson for today is reading lesson. In our lesson, we have presentation plus discussion parts. Then we have a task plus homework. Here we have a text. Please open your student's book, page number 74. Please listen first.
Pupils Book, Unit 7, page 74. Reading.
The city train. We're rushing through the station. We've got tickets for the train. We're visiting the city, then we're coming home again. The train is at the platform and it's ready to go. We must hurry, hurry, hurry. I can hear the whistle blow. The red and silver engine is noisy, big and strong, and faster, 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 it is pulling us along. Now trees and fields are flying by the train. We're visiting the city, then we're coming home again.
Now please listen again.
Pupils Book, Unit 7, page 74. Reading.
The city train. We're rushing through the station. We've got tickets for the train. We're visiting the city, then we're coming home again. The train is at the platform and it's ready to go. We must hurry, hurry, hurry. I can hear the whistle blow. The red and silver engine is noisy, big and strong, and faster, 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 it is pulling us along. Now trees and fields are flying by the train. We're visiting the city, then we're coming home again.
Okay, now let's start our first part, our presentation part. Now, please look at the pictures and the title. Yes, our poem is titled The City Train. Here we have two pictures. What are they about? The question is, what are they about? Yes, are they about jobs? No. Are they about sports? Of course no. Are they about living in city? Yes, excellent. Yes, our poem is, the pictures and the title describe the city lifestyle, describe the city. Now here we have another question. I ask you about the genre of the text. What's the genre of the text? Now look at the text. Is it a story? No, of course. Is it a letter? No. So is it a poem? Yes, of course. Our text, it's a poem. It's a poem. Yes, to study more our poem, we should know the different parts of our poem. The different parts of a poem. Yes, the first part is stanza. What does mean stanza? Means paragraph. If I ask you here, how many paragraphs are there? There are 4 stanza. Yes, how many stanzas are there? Yes, there are 4 stanza. If I ask you about the verse, what does mean verse? Means line. How many verses are there? Yes, your answer should be there are 16 verses. Look here, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have 4 stanzas. And we have here how many verses now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. We have 16 verses and 4 stanzas. Now, here, let's move to the second part. It's discussions part. Now, if I ask you about the theme, what is it about? What is the poem about? What is it about? Yes, of course, you should say that the poem is about visiting the city using the train. Yes, to understand more our theme of our poem, should now sort the main words or the key words mentioned in the poem. Look at the first word is station. Yes, the word station, it's repeated once. Look at the verse number 1. We're rushing through the station. Yes, look at the word number 2. It is city. The word city, it's repeated twice. Look at the verse number 3 and verse number 15. And here we have the word train. It's repeated 3 times in verse number 2, verse number 5, and in the verse number 14. Here we have station, key is city, and a train. All of these words are key words, are main words, help us to understand the theme of our poem. Yes, and to understand more, we should now learn or sort some synonyms. What does mean synonyms? The words that have the same meaning. Look here, we have the word rush and the word hurry. Rush has the same meaning as hurry. Rush and hurry mean go quickly. Yes. Now we have here some questions. The first question is, how does the poet describe the engine of the train? Yes, look at the stanza number 3, verse number 9, 10, 11, and 12. The red and silver engine is noisy, big and strong, and faster, 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 it's pulling us along. So the poet described the engine of the train as red, as silver, as noisy, as big, as strong, and as fast. Now let's move. Question number 2. Does the poet like traveling? Yes, of course, the poet likes traveling. Now here we have a task to do together. Please open your student's book, task number 1, page number 76. Now we have here the question number 1. Answer the questions, write short answers. The city train. Question number 1. Where are the children? Where? Use it to ask about the place. Where are the children? Look at the verse number 1. Yes, the children, excellent. The children are in the station. Now number 2. Question number 2. What are they visiting? What are they visiting? What? Use it to ask about thing. Yes, they are visiting. Try to find the word visiting. Yes, excellent. Visiting the city. Now number 3. Where is the train? Where is the train? Where? Use it to ask about the place. The train is. Try to find the word train. Give me your justification from the poem. Train. Look at the verse number 5. Yes, of course, excellent. At the platform. Number 4 now. What colors is the train? Look at the word colors. Colors. Asks me to give more than one color. Now, what's the color of the train? Look at verse number 9. Yes, it's red and silver. Now the last question, what things are flying by the train? So there are many things are flying by the train. Try to find the word flying. Flying. Look at the verse number 13. Now trees and fields are flying by. Yes, your answer should be trees and fields. Now here we have the last part is homework. Please open your student's book, page number 76, task number 2. Yes, and we have another task, task number 3, page 76 in your student's book.